scan it, try it like it, create it. And I'm working on my waffle flour media mat, which is very well stained. But we're going to do some ink smooshing, and I have my distressed oxides lined up here, and I'm using greens. So I've got Shabby Shutter, which is going to be my lightest color, and I'm going to put that down on my media mat first, spritz it with water, really get it to bead up like that, and then we can go in and pick it up with our tag. And since it's our lightest color, I'm really happy with getting it all over the tag. And so now I'm just going to wipe this off and go into our next color, which is Mauve Lawn. It's a little bit darker. And I'm going to spritz that with water and let it bead up as well. And let's go in and pick that up. Now, I could go in and dry my tag in between applications. Right now it's looking pretty good, but I think after this round, let's see, we may dry it before we add any more color to it. So let me go ahead and dry this. It doesn't have to be all the way dry, but I want it to be able to get some color variation happening. And okay, so now we're going to have to go in with the darkest color, which is Iced Spruce. Now we can always go back and use our other colors. And this is more of a grade green, so I'm going to use it very sparingly. In and grab it around the edges, maybe around the bottom a little bit. I like the look of that. The wetter it is, the more faint the color will be, or how lighter the color will be on our tag. Doing a little bit more Iced Spruce. Let's see if we can get that to move around a little bit. Now, because these are distressed oxides, they will react to water. So let's just go in and let's just drop a little bit on here. See if we can get it to give us some water droplets. Let that soak in for a minute and then come in with a dry baby wipe. See if I can pick up some of those. Got some of that color. And I'm going to go ahead and dry this fully.